Hey guys, how you doing? Denis you here, Focus Coach, and you probably know me if you see this video or somebody forwarded to you. So if I don't know you, I want to say hi, and I want you to do me a favor, listen to this video all the way to the end. I got a pretty good gift to give to a few of you, and I want to start with a few questions. Are you ready to move forward? Are you ready to invest in yourself to reach your next level of success, right? Do you have any goals that you haven't accomplished in 2021 that you want to do in 2022? Are you suffering from procrastination? A lot of us do. Are you afraid of moving forward? Do you have a lack of vision? Maybe you don't have a clear vision. Do you know where you're going? If you don't, that's okay. I'm doing a workshop on November 28th, which is this Saturday, and it's going to be online. And if you live in Las Vegas, it's going to be on Tropicana, 1500 East Tropicana. And the magic word for this is work. It's not focus, it's work. The name of the workshop is all about focus, workshop, but I want to talk about work because we're going to work. We're going to work on your future. We're going to work on your vision. We're going to work on your mission. We're going to work on your short-term, mid-term goals. We're going to work on clarifying everything, maybe make a mini schedule so at the end of this morning, you have an action plan. So the next day or the next couple of days, you can start acting and starting manifesting what you really want to do. That's in the morning. In the afternoon, we're going to talk about this one, the mindset. In order to create anything in life, you have to do it twice. You have to create it in your mind. You have to see it, believe it, right? Imagine it. And then you have to take a little bit of action to manifest it in your physical world. So we're going to talk about the mindset. We're going to talk about limiting beliefs. We're going to see what they're from, what they are, how to overcome them. Then I'm going to talk about a little bit about some of the universal laws. You know, the law of divine oneness, the law of vibration, the law of attraction, the law of action, and the law of momentum. Guys, if you don't know anything about these laws and you really want to reach your goal faster, I recommend that you start learning. Learn about them. Then I'm going to give you some tips, some tools, some techniques, some processes for you to start applying the next day so you can manifest your goal faster. There's one, especially the last one, I paid quite a bit of money for it, and it's going to be included on this. So as you can see, there's a lot of value in this, a lot of value for this workshop. So now what's the price? Well, the price is $247 for the full day. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? But I got a gift for the first 5. Bill Walsh, my mentor, my business coach, gave me 10 tickets for the Ultimate Wealth Camp. I got 5 left. And look at the value of this. Hopefully you're gonna see it. It's $997. I think it's $997 like this or like this. Anyway, it's $997. So it's about $1,000. For the people who come in and they register for my event, my workshop, I'm going to give you one of these tickets. And these tickets are pretty good. Like I said, it's the Ultimate Wealth Camp. It's December 12 and 14 in December here at the Paris Hotel here in Las Vegas. Look, who's going to be talking? Bill Walsh is going to be talking, right? Sharon Lechner who's going to be talking. Mark Victor Hansen is the guy who is a co-author of the Chicken Soup books. Crystal Hansen, Dr. Greg Reed, Austin Walsh is going to be talking, Dr. James Dentley, and a few more. Look, if you don't go there for the people who speaks, I want you to go there to network with the people who's there. It's impressive how many people are there. You might meet your next client. You might meet your next partner. You might meet somebody who's going to change your life forever. They're going to give you an advice. It's something like this. So for the first 5, who's going to register for my event on Saturday, which is $247, I give you $1,000 ticket. This ticket, I gave it to you for free. If you do not want to come to my event and you still want this, you can call me or you can text me. I'll put my number there. I'll put my email below or something, and you can pay. It's going to be $350. I'll sell it for $350. All right. So look, if hopefully you're excited about it, hopefully I see you there. And I just want to say one thing before. Well, 2 things before. See, there's a lot of people, this is what they do. They don't do anything. They want these dreams and they want to do something. Now, what I'm offering you is with that workshop, is we're going to take action. I don't believe it's a teaching. Right there, we're going to work on your future. Right there, you're going to create your hour of power for the day. Right there, you're going to start writing your own story. It's going to be awesome. It's gonna be powerful. If you decide to come, just know that you're gonna have to work. You're gonna have to start thinking. I'm gonna make you think a lot, but it's gonna be also a lot of fun. And by the way, I give a free lunch. So I want to say, see you there. Text me, email me. I'll see you later, and stay focused on what you really, really, really want. See ya.